Hello everyone, in this video I will talk about generator function in JavaScript. It's not a continuous function. We can play pause the function while doing some calculation or calling some APIs. So let's jump into the video. So here in this file you can see I have created a generator function. So to make a function as a generator function, we need to add an asterisk before the function name. And how generator function work is it yields another values. Like for example, like this generator function will yield 3 values: yield 1, yield 2, yield 3. And how the execution work, like the first iterator call to this function will be called from here to here, and the next iteration will be called from here to here, and the next will come from here to here, and the last call will be from here to here. Here I have created a basic generator function. Generator function start with the function key with an asterisk, and we can see like there we have yield. So whenever we call an iterator.next method, so this yield will return an object which has two properties. One is value, another one is the done property. So done property will be initially be false. After the last yield, done property will be true, and telling us that there will be no next iterator in this particular function, and the value will be the value which we are yielding from here. So if I am yielding 1, so the value will be 1 for this clause. Also we can pass the parameters to the yield. So like if I am trying to pass a value or parameter in this third call or the fourth call, basically, because the initial call will be to the like this, and this parameter will be set in this property, and this we can be used later in this execution. So for the first call, the call will go from here to here, and in the next call we will get the call from here, and this yield will be there, and in the third call the call will go from here and there, and in the last call this will be printed. So let me just run the function here. Okay, so as you can see, in the first iterator call, the value was 1 because we have yielded the value 1, and the done was false because we also have a next iterator which is this one. And in the next call now we are here, so the console will print 1, and this will yield a value of 2, and done will false. In the next iteration 3, so the console will print 2, and the value will be the yielded value. We have value yielded here, so the value will be 3, and done will be false. And in the final call, we are also passing a parameter in this yield. So this parameter, when we call here, so this parameter will be set here. So when we call this next iterator in the last value, so the you can see the parameter I have passed into the I has been logged as parameter, and this next object, you can see this is value is undefined because there is no yield done at the last call, and the done is now true. So if I try to call iterator.next here, nothing will happen. So now let's move to an example which will make it more clear and a kind of use case but not actual. So here, so let me just clear this console. So here I am creating a Fibonacci series generator. So here is the count, how many numbers, how many Fibonacci number I want. So this is the general function of how we calculate Fibonacci: current, next. Then we just what we do is like current plus next will be the next, and current will be the next minus current, and I plus plus. So I am yielding the value with the help of while loop, and whatever the count of Fibonacci number I will provide, this will yield at that much counts. So here I am just calling the Fibonacci series generator and Fibonacci series.next. Then here I am checking if Fibonacci done, like this will be a iterable object which will be getting from next, and this will be having properties like value and done. So if it is not done, we will continue, we will get the value, then we'll assign the next iterator. So let's just run the example. So here you can see our Fibonacci series is working as fine. Do let me know if you find this useful.